Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Knitting with Sue. So today I'm going to take you through how to knit these little cuties right here. Sue's got a stitch booties. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your yarn. I use this Mirage 4-ply yarn and I double it so that I get this tension. I'm going to use my 3.5 millimeter needle. Yes, you're going to use this. So, and you're going to need a scissors. I got a thread cutter right here. Then I'm going to need a needle to sew together my parts. So you can accessorize it the way you like. Here I've put a little small pom-pom, but you can also use buttons or you can leave it plain. So let's get started. So first off, we're casting on 43 stitches, and I'm going to use the long tail method of casting on. So I've got 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, pause. So I've got 43 stitches right here. This size is for a 6-month-old baby. So what I like to do is with the yarn that's left over from the casting on, I like to tie it up here so that I don't have a loose stitch at the beginning. Right, onto our knitting. So row number 1, knit all. Knit all our 43 stitches through to the end. So we're knitting all stitches right through to the edge of this row. So I'm almost done with this, with the first row. So this is the wrong side of my work. With long tail cast on, the first row that you knit is the wrong side of your work. Usually I see it with this hanging thread. This is the wrong side of the work. As you gain experience, you notice how the ridge looks different on the wrong side and on the right side. So this is the right side of my work and this is the wrong side. So row 1 is the wrong side of my work. So we're knitting this to the end. And this is 43 stitches. On the next row, we start doing our increases. The increases are to pretty much shape your shoe. So there's 2 stitches left. Right. So the first row is done. On to the second row. So on the second row, we knit 1, the first stitch, then we make one stitch. So there's a lot of ways that you can make a stitch, which is increasing the number of our stitches. The one that I'm going to use here doesn't create a hole. There are types that create holes in the knitted product. So this is just an increase that doesn't create a hole. So I pick up this loop right here and I knit it. So I've made one. So it's knit 1, make 1. Then I'm going to knit 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you get to the 20th stitch, we're going to make another stitch, and that's another increase. So we take this loop right here and we pull it. We take it using the left needle, then we knit through that loop. So we make one, and we knit one, and then we make another stitch, the same loop that is beneath the last stitch that we made. Then we knit through it, make one, then I'm going to knit 20 stitches again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've knitted our 20 stitches. Then we're going to make one again. So it's the loop beneath the last stitch, pick that up, and then we knit through it, make one, then we knit the last stitch. Row 2 is done. Row 3, we turn our work. Row 3, we knit all stitches. So the last row we increased 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 43 plus 40 plus 4 stitches, making them 47 stitches. So we're going to knit all the 47 stitches now. Make sure you count them, just so you make sure that you got your increases right, the last row. So this is row 3, we're knitting to the end, including the stitches that we increased. We need every single stitch. Right. We go on to the next row, row number 4. Row number 4, we're going to knit 2, 1, 2, and we're going to increase again. So we're going to make one stitch, make one, then we're going to knit 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When we get to the 20th stitch, we're making another increase. We're making one stitch. So we take this loop that is beneath the last stitch that we made, and we knit through it. 1, then we knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Then after we knit 3, we're going to make another increase. So we're going to pick this loop up with our left needle, the loop that's directly beneath the last stitch that we made, and we knit through it, make one, then we're going to knit 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we're going to make one again. So we pick that up with our left needle and we knit through it. Make one, then we knit two. Right, so we're done with row 4. Row 5, we knit all stitches. The last time after row 2 we had 47 stitches. Now we have 47 plus the 4 that we made, so that's 51 stitches. So we're knitting all the 51 stitches right through to the end, that includes the ones that you've increased. So we're knitting pretty much everything to the end. So this is row 5 that we're finishing off. Right to the end. So so far we have 51 stitches on our needle. So the effect of the increase is, if you can look closely, our boot is becoming curved. So this is the sole of the boot. It's becoming curved at the edges. So next is row 6. Row 6, we're going to knit 3 at the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to make our increase, which is knit 1 here. Make 1, pick this up with your left needle and knit through it. Then we're going to knit our 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When we come to our 20th stitch, again we make another increase. So we're going to make 1. So is this loop here, the last loop that we have. We pick it up with our left needle, then we knit through it. Make 1. Then we're knitting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5, we make one more stitch. We pick this up with our left needle, then we knit through it. Make 1. Then we're going to knit another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've got 3 stitches remaining. After the 20th stitch we make 1. So we pick this loop up with our left needle, then we knit through it with our right needle. Make 1. Then we knit the 3 remaining stitches to finish up this row. So this is row 6 done. Now we have 51 plus 4 stitches, that is 55 stitches. Row 7, we knit all through to the end, all 55 stitches. So row 7 right through to the end, 55 stitches. 55 stitches done. On to row 8. Row 8 is going to be the last row that we make our increases. So row 8, we knit 4 at the beginning of the row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to make one increase, make one stitch. We need through that. Then we need 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When we get to the 20th stitch, again we make another increase. So we pick this up, then we knit through it, make one, then we're going to knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th stitch, we make another stitch, pick this up, knit through it, make one, then we're going to knit our 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. When we get to the 20th stitch, again we're going to make another increase. We pick this up and we knit through it. Then we knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this stage now we've got 59 stitches. So what we're going to do is we're going to knit rows 19 to 17. We knit all stitches, knitting throughout. So I'll catch you when you get to row 17.